everyone, Nicole here with Jeff Cook Real Estate. Today, we're going to share with you how to make the most of your small spaces. Everyone has that one room they just don't know what to do with, whether it was going to be a crafting room, an office, or a personalized gym, and you just didn't know how to get it all together. Well, don't you worry. Today, we're going to show you how to make that space productive and amazing. Tip number 1, choosing the right paint. Using colors like neutrals, whites, creams, and grays can make a room feel larger than it really is. Pairing the right lighting and paint color is also very important. Choose the right lighting to enhance your paint color and avoid colors and bulbs that could cause glares. Tip number 2, use high shelving in closets for those rarely used items. Also, utilize high ceilings and walls for guitars, surfboards, or any item that can double as decoration. Tip number 3, double duty furniture. Not a lot of floor space? Use tables and benches with hidden storage compartments. Also, crates, boxes, and containers that are low in depth but wide are great for storage under your bed. If you're looking for a new home, check out our inventory on jeffcookrealestate.com. Also, if you're looking to sell your home, consider the Get Your Home Value link, where you can see how competitive your home will sell in today's market. And don't forget, because we're the #1 real estate team in South Carolina, we have the technology and resources to get your house sold on average 30 days faster than the competition. That gets you the most money in your pocket in the fastest amount of time. Thank you. I'm Nicole with Jeff Cook Real Estate, and have a great day.